Here we'll talk about crop tool and some other tools inside the crop tool, and also we'll talk about the zoom and hand tools. As I told you, you can see a small arrow over here, so that's mean inside this tool we have some more tools. So for making you understand, just I will create a box or rectangle. We'll put a color to it, and now just click this crop tool. As it says, you can see the description from CorelDRAW. Crop tool remove the areas outside a selection. So that means if you select this area, it will remove the outside area of this object. Just click enter and you will just see the area that we selected. So this is very simple. There is no rocket science in it. So the next thing, the next tool here, when you click from your mouse, you will see this knife tool. This will actually cut an area which you select yourself with this tool. So first of all, for using this tool, you have to select this and then click this knife tool, and we need to actually create a new rectangle so we can understand this tool easily, the knife tool inside the CorelDRAW. Now when you just bring this tool or the node, you will see this knife position will change automatically. This is like this, cross, and here it will be straight. So at that point you have to press your mouse and then go and make a selection and come back to the same place and just leave it. So you will see it will create a shape like this. You can make a selection anywhere. So this is as simple as that. You can, for example, again select from this. This one is another, you can see here. So things like that you can create. Now when you click again it, you will see a vertical segment delete tool, which actually deletes an area you select. So it has just remove the area that you select basically. And there is one more tool. We create one more object here. There is one more tool called razor, which is known, maybe it is known for all of you, because this is a razor and used for raising the area which you select, or directly you can raise any area. This tool is existing in all of the graphic designing software like Photoshop, Illustrator, Freehand, etc. So just click it and you can raise anywhere you want, any area you want, you can raise. This is simple as that. Now the next tool, this one is zoom tool, and its shortcut is Z. If you press Z from your keyboard, this option will be active on your pointer, but you can directly click it and you will see these options here. By default the zoom size is 38%. You can select from here as well, like 100 will be something like this, 50 will be this, and 400 will be this. Or you can select fit to this document and fit select it, or fit to page. So you will see the page which is by default 38, or you can select 10 or etc. But if you click this option, you can just make zoom, and if you select this minus option, you can make, you can decrease the zoom. And these options are like zoom to page, and the shortcut is shift F4. This is zoom to page width, and this is zoom to page height, by default 46. So you can use all these options basically, and if you want to select a specific area, you want to zoom that, then just make a selection outside this area like this. and that area will be zoomed. So this is the zoom option you can use, and another one here is the pen, which is also called hand tool. So a shortcut key for this is H. Just click it, and by using this option you can move your page, all of your page, to anywhere you want, and you can make the setting for that. Just leave wherever you want to keep it in this whole document. So there's simple options I wanted to tell you in this lecture. Now in next lecture we will move and we'll discuss these other two tools.